Your coin was suffering you with me. And he said, I don't want to talk about it. Why did you talk about it? It's just that a lot of us are mohbad because most of whatever to solve what the first start coming out. Come and start again. So why are we blaming the wife? For God's sake. Number two, the dad. I know the stories everybody take already, or maybe a lot of people take a bit more. But let me tell you from the office, like I said, I'm very close to someone very close to mohbad. Hence why I felt I have to do this. Because the Bible page me was seen online in a long time. I haven't. And I didn't even plan on doing this. But because it was on social media and I was seeing a lot of things. I just came back from work this morning, but I just couldn't bring myself to sleep because I'm thinking there's a lot of things that are not true. But people, what do you expect people to believe? People can only believe what they see on social media because we're more mohbad and they can't filter what is true and what is not. Yeah, mohbad was gone away from mohbad for good 15 years. Now, I want to play a scenario to whoever to buy my video later. You're a man, you're married to a woman, you have a wife, and you went out one day, you went to a nice video, you came back, and you couldn't find your wife. You were looking for your wife, wondering if you see her where, only for your wife to come out from a neighbor's room. A neighbor, a bachelor for that matter. And already, before Koto Kaida away, you've already been told that your wife was cheating on you with one of your neighbors. Please, will you not know, okay, something was going on? And Baba Mohbad never told Mohbad, okay, Keru Ekomalo. The wife himself decided to live out of guilt. Olamide, longest time. Good to see you. So they asked, Mama Mohbad decided to leave the next day. Whatever that you see on this video, she can watch it later and come out to the debunk it in Baro, because like I said, I know the story. On the next day, after the husband caught her cheating, laying your momenta, 2 boys and 1 girl. Mohbad has a senior sister and a junior brother. The guilt to pay Okomikami, Mama Mohbad Furare, Kerwe, Okuro Nile, she left the house. And Owenyi for 15 years. For 16 years. She only came back into Mohbad's life. Mohbad is popular. Mohbad is he's doing well. That was when he came back into Mohbad's life. And we women as a mother, even when you are not, we know how to manipulate our children. He was able to manipulate his life back into his son's life. When he left Mohbad's dad, he was already married to another man with 3 children. When he came back into Mohbad's life, he lied to everyone, including Mohbad's dad, that anything Mohbad slept, so Mohbad told the dad that you need to take my mom back. And the dad said, no, I'm not going to take your mom back. Your mom left for over 15 years. But because Mohbad is the breadwinner of the house, so to say, he insisted that the mom has to take the dad back. Mohbad kúrò nílé ọkọ. Mohbad lọ gba ilé fún màmá níbòmí. Ó gba ilé fún màmá, ó furnish ẹ̀, yẹ kó ọmọ tó bí síbi tó lọ wá. Mohbad sanwó lé, ó ń bọ̀ yẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ tí màmá ẹ̀ bí síbòmí. I want you to put yourself in Mohbad's dad's shoes. How will you feel as a man, as a wife that abandoned 3 children for you? To love your me. ó wá padà wá nígbà tí kan náà àwọn ọmọ yìí tó ṣoríire nígbà tí wo àzọkùnrin tó tó àwọn ọmọ yìí. I'm not saying Mohbad dad don't have his shortcomings, but the truth of the matter is when the mom left, Mohbad dad was there. When the mom left, Mohbad dad was there. Òun abandon àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó ṣe wọn bá tí ó lè ṣe. Ṣé bá gbọ́ nínú orin tí Mohbad kọ, ó ní màmá òun sí bẹ́ẹ̀, màmá òun fi òun sílẹ̀ for years. Bàbá òun ló sanwó school òun lọ sí poli, òun ṣe gbá, òun ṣàwo. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ lyrics yẹn Mohbad ló fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ. It's true story. Ṣé wá fẹ́ gbọ́? When Mohbad's mom came back and said, oh, ọkọ òun ṣaláìsí tó padà wá sínú láìfò Mohbad tí Mohbad gba ilé fún màmá ẹ̀ tó fọ́ níṣẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ ò ṣaláìsí the husband tó fẹ́ lẹ́yìn tó fi bàbá Mohbad sílẹ̀ the husband was still alive he is alive he left the man with the children to go and live in the new house tí Mohbad gbà fún just because Mohbad is doing well but they say okay this is my how will I say it this is my way out of poverty ó fi ọkọ ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ ó padà sí ọ̀dọ̀ Mohbad gbalẹ̀ fún yẹ ilé orin gidi kò ṣe lé kékeré ilé ńlá ó gbà fún yẹ ó fọ́ ní ìṣe mo fi I'm asking again you tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin lọkùnrin báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ feel knowing that owó tí Mohbad fi gbalẹ̀ fún yẹ tó fi fọ́ ní ìṣe ìdásí mẹ́rin owó yẹn ìwọ as bàbá Mohbad ò tí ì ná fún ẹ. And this woman came back, manipulated the son that you were there for when she left. How can a woman, obìnrin ni mí now? I'm not saying you should stay if for some reason you want to leave your husband. You left your children. Not that you left them alone. Oh, if you want to let okay, mo wá wò wọ́n lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan o. Oh, bẹ́yìn wo. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé Mohbad ò blow, kó ṣoríire, kó popular ni, this woman wouldn't have come back. And why I needed to do this video, when I saw that he's the one being visited, you know, being felt for, being consolated, unlucky, governor lucky.
Please note that she's referring to she. She's making mistake saying he. She, the mother. So Emma gets it twisted.
Lucky. Did he mention to them, okay, mo fi ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀? She does. Kò sí pé ọdún kan tó padà wá sínú life Mohbad. Not even up to a year. Or let me say not up to 2 years tó padà sínú ilé ayé Mohbad tí Mohbad ṣaláìsí. Bàbá yìí ló wà ńbẹ̀. Like I said, me sọ pé bàbá yìí, for me, a lot of the interviews bàbá yìí ṣe, I'm not a fan of the interview too. I don't like, you know, his approach or what he said. But does that change the truth? And what is the truth? The truth is that this man was there when this woman left. This woman left for over 10 years. Kó bẹ́yìn wò. Kó bú ẹ̀yìn wò. Kó wá àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó wá dé nígbà tó owó ti wà lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yìí. Did you guys notice that she wasn't out to do interview because she was reluctant to do interview? That mother-son bond is not there. It's not there because she came back for the wrong reason. Wrong reason. Share my video. Tó bá kàn wọ́n lára tí n bá parọ́, she should come out and say pé mo parọ́. She should come out and say pé mo parọ́.
Today, even when you see the truth, you say she's not objective. Did you start listening from the beginning? You say she's not objective. She's only narrating nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn. Bóyá objective àbí kò objective. Ẹ jẹ́ a máa gbọ́ nǹkan tó ẹ jẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Ǹtí ẹ̀dá àwọn question tí ó necessary. Continue.
Because ó ń ká mi lára because as obìnrin we get away with a lot of things. We get away with a lot of things.
Àbúrò for saying the right thing. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Because if the table were turned.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tó bá jẹ́ pé bàbá Mohbad ló fi Mohbad sílẹ̀ tó jẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ ló tọ̀. Nobody everybody will now be going to Baba Mohbad, láti lọ máa pọ̀nlé and everything. It would have been the other way round. So why is it different? Just because obìnrin lòun, and a lot of people did not know the story. And everyone cling to that story of, oh, Baba Mohbad is saying oríṣiríṣi in the interview, he's talking about this, he's talking about that. And that brings me back to what mo kọ́kọ́ sọ níbẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò yìí wípé, how will you know bó ṣe máa react? You know bó ṣe máa react tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan nínú wa kó fojú sunkún ọmọ. Àmín. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí àrídùnnú wa kó dìbàjẹ́. Àmín Olúwa. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó jẹ́ wípé ìgbà tí ògo bá máa dé ni èmi máa pín. Ní orúkọ Jésù, I pray for everyone. Even Mohbad's dad, even àwọn tó bully ẹ̀, which is Naira Marley and co. Kò sí ẹni tó mọ irú ògo tí Mohbad gbé dání. Kò sí ẹni tó mọ̀. The dad, the mom, the siblings, the friends, the record label, the Makata kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ náà, kíní kan Makata, kíní kan Zari. If na family matter, go and delete every post you are making about them on social media. Okay? If na family matter, go and delete every post they are making about them that you see on social media. Sisi mi máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ jèrè. Kò sí ẹni tó mọ irú ògo tí Mohbad gbé dání until he left this world. Ìgbà yẹn ni everybody ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ irú ògo tí ọmọ yìí gbé dání. That's why tí mo ṣe gbàdúrà wípé Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí ẹ̀mí bọ́ kí ògo wa tó búyọ. Àmín. Mohbad is a very easygoing, gentle boy to the core. They call him names because he's Oba and nothing fishy. You need to go and listen to his lyrics. And just listen to his lyrics. Mo wo interview kan leni, TV radio station on interview Mohbad, and they asked him. They said, what advice do you have for the young ones tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n ní ambition láti kọrin? You need to go and watch that interview. The first thing he said is, yes, I'm going to give my advice, but I'm not asking you to take my advice. Nǹkan tó sọ nìyẹn o. Ó ní mi ní kẹ́nìbọ̀dì gba advice mi o. But advice tó máa fún àwọn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn òun ni pé ẹ má kánjú. Ó ní ẹ má kánjú. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù. Only don't be in a hurry. Only take your time. Only grow slowly. Only because if you rush, you will end up where you're going to eventually regret. Which means he's regretting Ibitoti Valley, which is Malian Records. He's regretting. But what can he do? What's the water? But he told himself that, you know what, I mean, if I want people to shame more, who they try to yore puro. Long and short of this video, tí mo ṣe lé ní pé ẹ jẹ́ kí a bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run àti blogger àti fans, àwọn tó ń kọ, àwọn tó ń ṣe fídíò, ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. The video tí bàbá yìí ṣe, àwọn interview tó ṣe, each blogger wọ́n wá mú 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Pín tí gbogbo wa kọ́kọ́ rí. Everybody using bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìsàkókò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ sí máa nìyẹn. Boost their page. Excellent mo wò kan tó ti sọ wípé bàbá ẹ̀ ó sọ wípé kan tó sí wọ́n ti kó fún lọ. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni kò tí màá yẹn mi lò. I was spoiling. Wípé what is this man saying? But when I was able to be on the phone. No, I wasn't on the phone. Somebody was on the phone to Mohbad's dad, and I was listening in. And the person was asking Mohbad's dad, bye. That's when I realized, the man was not talking. The man was only, when they were asking him about Mohbad. And they said, as Baba Omo, kini àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tẹ́ gbé fún ọmọ yín láti rí pé ọwọ́ ayé ò ká, láti rí pé ẹ mójútó. he was now saying sí àwọn tó béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wípé ẹ gbàdúrà kọ́mọ yín má ṣàgbákò ipe because gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn ń bá mohbad sọ ń gbà mí kò kí ń gbọ́ ipe ń gbà mí ó máa ń hùwà bí ẹni tí wọ́n ti kó fún ẹ lọ. That was what the man said.
Làwọn blogger tọ́ka sọ ẹ̀.
So ó ń hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá wa ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ń hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó ti kó fún ẹ lọ because kò kí ń èmi as bàbá ẹ̀ ń gbà mí sí bàbá sọ̀rọ̀. You know, he believes other people over me. That was when the dad made that reference of what he called for a law. And somebody on TikTok cut, it's not even up to 1 minute, just about 36 seconds. Just when the dad said, what's it called for a law? And the person said, Baba Mohbad is it called for Mohbad, Baba Mohbad is it called for Mohbad. And a lot of people were on that chat. What they were saying, shake lala. I was moved to tears when I eventually saw the full video. Because actually when I see things on social media, people are reacting, people are writing. I'm not in a hurry to comment because I have realized that social media, a lot of people twist things to fit their narrative. Wọ́n mọ nǹkan táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ gbọ́, wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó máa mú àwọn èèyàn wá sórí fídíò wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ro nǹkan tó máa fún ẹni tí wọ́n twist ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yẹn ṣe máa feel they don't care nǹkan tí mo realize nìyẹn. That was why when I saw that video I was like even èmi gan mo wò pé why did bàbá yìí ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan báyìí? Why did he say this? But I said to myself, I now went on social media. I was now looking. I was searching for all the interviews. That was when I came across the full video. Where even it wasn't even Baba Mohbad that said something about Ifun. It was ẹni tó ń béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Nígbà tí Baba Mohbad ní kò ń gbọ́ràn kò ń ti bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ ń gbà mí ẹ̀mọ́ àwọn ọmọdé ẹ̀mọ́ wọ́n máa ń rò pé bóyá wọ́n fẹ́ kí bàbá wọn control wọn. Ẹni tó interview yẹn wá ní ó ń hùwà bí ẹni tó ti kó fún ẹ lọ. Bàbá wa ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ń hùwà bí ẹni tó ti kó fún ẹ lọ. Èèyàn kan dẹ̀ mú 30 seconds yẹn ó dẹ̀ fi ṣe show àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún bàbá yìí. My question sí àwọn bloggers sáwọn tó wà lórí social media and I keep saying this, if tomorrow
it's not you, stop distracting
bàbá ìṣaláìsí àbí bàbá yìí decide láti gbógun jẹ he can't take all these things anymore, how will you feel? Mohbad is gone. Yes, the dad handle things, the interview and everything. Like I said, I'm not going to support him for that. But kí ló dé tí ẹ̀rù orí ọjọ́ kan mọ́ bàbá yìí lára? Ẹ̀rù orí ọjọ́ kan, kí ni orí ọjọ́ kan yẹn? When Mohbad's mom left Mohbad àti àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ àti àbúrò ẹ̀ méjèèjì fún bàbá yìí tó lọ fẹ́ ọkọ mi, ó tún bí ọmọ mẹ́ta ní ìsìnkú tó lọ tí ò wẹ̀yìn wò tí ò béèrè Mohbad. Bàbá ẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. The dad was there. Ẹ lọ gbọ́ orin Mohbad nínú kòsíkòsí ni bàbá ẹ̀ ti tún owó jọ wọ́n tún yá owó kò fún Mohbad pé kó fi lọ polytechnic. Mohbad ń gba owó school lọ́wọ́ bàbá ẹ̀ steady. Bàbá ẹ̀ rò pọ̀ mọ́ wà ní school not knowing pé Mohbad ti fásitì ẹ̀ lọ chasing his dream of music while the dad was thinking he's in school. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ro orí ọjọ́ kan ìmọ̀ bàbá yìí lára. Ipe the mom was not there. The dad was the one that stood in the place of the dad and the mom. Only for ìyá tó ti ṣán lọ for close to 15 years to come back and take over your son's life.
Kálọ́kùnrin ló ṣán lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àti fẹ́ ṣépè fún pa.
How will you feel? If as a mother, torí mo fi ọ̀rọ̀ rora mi wò, kí bàbá tí mo bímọ fún ó ṣán lọ for 15 years or close to. Kọ́mọ mi wá ṣoríire kó wá lókìkí lẹ́yìn tí mo tọ́ ọmọ yẹn tán níwọ̀nba tí Ọlọ́run fún mi lágbára láti fi tọ́. As a mom, I have my shortcomings. But mo dúró ti àwọn ọmọ yìí, mo tọ́ wọn. Ìkànnà àwọn ọmọ yìí wá ṣoríire. Ó wá di ìlú mọ̀ká. Ó wá di mọ́lẹ̀ tí gbogbo ayé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Kí bàbá yìí wá dé lẹ́yìn 15 years kó wá wọnú ayé ọmọ mi. Kó wá gba 80% of my son's life. Èmi ìyá tí mo wá wà ń bẹ̀. Kí wá jẹ́ 20% péré lọ́mọ ìfún mi. Báwo lẹ ṣe máa feel? How will you feel? I want us to ponder on it. How will you feel? ẹ jẹ́ ká ro orí ọjọ́ kan mọ́ bàbá yìí lára. Ọlọ́run ni mo fi bẹ̀ yín. As bloggers, let's do our findings. Yes, I know everybody wants to make money on social media. Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́. But ẹ jẹ́ kí conscience wa kó máa guide wa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí conscience wa kó máa guide wa. The father is being interrogated, being asked questions about what happened to Mohbad. Like I said, I ask questions for the dad too, especially when it comes to wanting to see what is the reason. I have a lot of questions for the dad, which is fine. But why are you crucifying the dad? Have you ever thought, nígbà tí ìyá Mohbad lọ, if tí bàbá Mohbad náà bá sọ wípé okay, you know what, your mama I need to lọ, èmi náà fẹ́ move on, kó dà wọ́n sílẹ̀. Mohbad lè má débi tó dé lénìí.
Somebody said she's judgmental. Tóyìn Àṣàwọ̀n. She's still his mother. It happens with fathers too. It's a tó bá wá ṣẹlẹ̀ fún bàbá ṣọ́n dáhùn wọ́n máa ń dáhùn fún bàbá tí bàbá bá bẹ̀bẹ̀. Àbọ̀ máa wá ṣe tó yẹn fún bàbá. Tí bàbá bá sá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn because mo ti rí àwọn kọ́mẹ́ǹtì kan. You said it happens. Don't be judgmental. Ó lóun mọ̀ mọ́ kò judge ó narrate story yẹn fún wa ni. Wípé òun mọ àwọn people yìí délédélé. Òun close mọ́ wọn. Òun mọ àwọn tó ń tọ́jọ́ mọ́ wọn. Wípé ìgbà tí ìyá yìí èmi sọ wípé ọkùnrin òun déédéé gba ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ìyàwó some days ago tẹ́ bá rántí tí mo ṣe update yẹn wípé kọkùnrin tó lè sọ pé òun fẹ́ gba ọmọ most times àwọn obìnrin tó bá ká pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin àbí ṣèkúṣe tán trust ní wọ́n máa ń seize ọmọ mọ́ lọ́wọ́ kò sí ọkùnrin tó máa fẹ́ gbọmọ dání ọkùnrin máa ń fẹ́ free ni tó bá fẹ́ fìyàwó sílẹ̀ ọkùnrin máa fẹ́ ṣe kí ni but story to the full details pé adúrú nǹkan tí ìyá yìí ṣe leléyìí náà wá tún concentrate attention lé lórí ṣé ọkùnrin gbọdọ̀ ṣe ìdajì nǹkan tó ṣe yìí kí ọkùnrin yẹn rójú àánú mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tẹ́sán pé wà lórí social media ilé máa ṣépè fún bàbá yẹn gbogbo yín ó wá kọ obìnrin nísìnyí ẹ̀ ń sọ wípé ìyá ní ìyá àyàn kí ló dé tí ẹ lè máa dáríjì bàbá kẹ́ máa sọ pé bàbá ni bàbá àyàn kí ló dé tẹ́ máa sọ wípé ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ dá jìyà bàbá kan kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ mò ń béèrè ní o tẹ́ wá fi sọ wípé ṣèbí ìyá ẹ̀ ni tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ń sọ wípé family matter ni wọ́n gbé wá sórí social media ni ọ̀rọ̀ wọn dórí social media ni nǹkan tí ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ ni wípé ikú máa ń tàṣírí tí ikú bá wọlé sínú ilé kan kó má wọlé sínú gbogbo àwa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ àtàwọn tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi ilé yẹn gbogbo ará àdúgbò ló máa mọ̀kọ́ tó ń ṣe nínú ilé yẹn àwọn tó bá wá ń kí wọn àtọwọn ọmọ wọn rí tẹ́lẹ̀ àṣírí ikú máa ń tú àṣírí síta ni ikú ò bu àṣírí rí bóyá bá wípé bá ṣe wáyé o la ṣe máa ń padà pé ìwòwò là ń bá lọ padà kò síbi tí kú ti ń bu àṣírí ní everywhere now obìnrin wọ́n ní wọ́n ká obìnrin pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin èèwọ̀ ní all over the world. ẹ̀yin obìnrin tẹ́ ń bínú tẹ́ ń sọ wípé ẹ̀tọ́ ìyá yẹn ni ṣé ẹ lè gbà kẹ́ dátọ́ mọ́ mélòó nínú yín ló máa ń gbà tó bá dátọ́ mọ́ èmi sọ wípé investigation kan kò kàn mí aspect òbí lèmi handle àti ọmọ gbogbo ilẹ̀ dẹ̀ tẹ́ fún tẹ́ fọ́lọ̀ mi lẹ mọ̀ mí fún yẹn báwo ló ṣe máa fì lára yín nǹkan tó sọ pé bàbá Mohbad ṣe kó jẹ́ yín lẹ ṣe ẹ̀yáwó ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tọmọ tán fúnra yín ẹ máa gbé oríṣiríṣi sí ọmọ yẹn lọ́kàn tó bá rí bàbá ẹ̀ àdá ló máa yọ sí ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí a lot of people wọn ò bá bàbá wọn ṣe mọ́ ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí a lot of àwọn ọkùnrin tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò kí ń rí ọmọ wọn later in life wọn ò ṣe tó dajì nǹkan tí ìyá Mohbad ṣe tẹ́ fi máa cut wọn off lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ wọn kí ló dé tẹ́ lè sọ wípé kán dáríjì ọkùnrin náà kí ló dé tẹ́ lè sọ wípé bàbá ẹni ni bàbá ẹni ó ṣe jẹ́ pé tó bá ti dórí ìyá lẹ máa sọ pé ṣèbí ìyá ẹ̀ ni èèyàn narrate story tó mọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ tún defend ẹ̀ ṣé nǹkan tó da ni pé kán ká obìnrin ìyálé ilé mọ́ ọ̀dọ̀ bachelor tó wà nínú same compound pẹ̀lú ọkọ ẹ̀ inú ilé tó ń gbé pé tí bàbá bá ti lọ àwọn tó wà nínú ilé ló ń kò lágbo ìyàwó tó fi sílẹ̀ nínú ilé bàbá yẹn wá dé ó ká wọn mọ́ kò léyà yìí gan according to this lady tọ́lá ọmọ story wọ́n ní kò lé wọ́n ní fún rẹ̀ out of conscience ló kó ẹrù tó sá nílé wọ́n ní kò dẹ̀ wẹ̀yìn mọ́ sísá tó máa sá lọ wọ́n nílé ọkọ mi ló tún lọ jókòó sí ó dẹ̀ bímọ 3 síbẹ̀ ó dàbí ẹ̀gbọ́ dáadáa kí n tún sọ fún yín in my own language ó dà pé bóyá ohun tèmi ayé yín yàtọ̀ pẹ̀lú nǹkan táyé léjì yìí sọ ó ní ọmọ 3 ló tún bí sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọkọ tó lọ for 15 years kò wẹ̀yìn ó wá ń gbọ́ fìrífìrí pọ́ mọ̀ òun ti ń mèkẹ́ tẹ́ bá gbọ́ interview ìyá Mohbad òun gan sọ ó ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gba ilé fóun ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ set òun up ó ló tún wá parọ́ pọ́kọ tóun fẹ́ gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ni pé arìnlẹ́dì yìí ni pé tó bá yẹ kó òun parọ́ mọ́ ó lóun challenge ẹ̀ kó bọ́ta kó sọ pé òun parọ́ tí bàbá Mohbad ò bá gẹ̀ẹ́ta rẹ̀ mọ́ tí òun kan tó fẹ́ sọ tí ó sì wà confused ó láwọn tó fẹ́ jà fún ó láwọn tó fẹ́ gbẹnu ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ torí gbogbo wa ìlà kọ́kọ́ fò mọ́ bàbá Mohbad pé kí ni bàbá yìí ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú wo ìyá ọmọ yìí dà ṣe bí ẹgbẹ́ fídíò tá kọ́kọ́ ṣe tí gbogbo wa ń sunkún bí pé ìyá Mohbad kú tí mo ní kúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ o ọlọ́mọ gbà yá lára ọmọ tá a mọ̀ pé kò kú ayé lóní níyà gbogbo yín lẹ wà ń bì náà ìpẹ́rù ọ̀rọ̀ wo ni bàbá yìí ń sọ kí là á sọ sí bàbá yìí tán based on nǹkan tá à ń rí lórí social media tán kọ́ọ̀tì láì mọ̀ pé wọ́n kọ́ọ̀tì nǹkan tó fẹ́ ká gbọ́ná jù sí wa nínú fídíò bàmá nìyẹn táwọn tó fi àwọn oníkọ́tà ń join tó fẹ́ fẹ́rò tó ń wérò lórí social media tá a mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń kó kọ́ọ̀tì jáde fún wa nìyẹn tí bàbá yẹn ta wá wò pé irú bàbá wo lélẹ̀ kí ni bàbá kọ́tọ̀kọ́tọ̀ tí bàbá yìí ń sọ ó dàbí ká jòkó lé gbogbo yín la wà ń bí nígbà táwa ròótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ táwa tún máa sọ̀rọ̀ àbà obìnrin tábàdé ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ló ń sọ̀pọ̀tì ọkùnrin obìnrin bá ṣe ń ṣe yìí ẹ ń jẹ́ kí ẹ̀rù àwọn obìnrin máa bá ọkùnrin sìn àwọn ọmọ tá à ń bí ọlọ́run jẹ́ kan rí lè jókòó sí pẹ̀lú wà tá à ń wù yìí pẹ̀lú àwọn nǹkan tá à ń put out síta ó dẹ̀ máa jẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀jú obìnrin ló máa jẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó bá lọ́mọ obìnrin ló máa jẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀jú ẹlòmíì inú yín ọmọbìnrin 4 lẹ́gbẹ́ dání 3 lẹ́gbẹ́ dání ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ bóyá máa rí ilé ọkọ wọ̀ adẹ̀ntì àti ṣàwọn kankan tó máa tún marriage ṣe tó máa táwọn èèyàn lè máa trust ara wọn ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ máa fi síbì kan ṣé nǹkan tó dání nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tani ìyá òfò tani ìyá òṣì is because sentiment tó fi múyàn kó lọ bá àwọn ọmọ mi ṣe àbí kó ṣe pẹ̀lú ọmọ òyìnbó bóyá ọmọ òyìnbó alóhùn mọ̀ ọmọ. You can continue to defend her mother is still no matter what is still his mother tani ìyá olórí burúkú tani ìyá tó fi ìyàn lẹ̀ for the past 15 years ibi tó sin ọmọ èdè náà ni ó kẹ́ kó gbókù ọmọ ẹ̀ kó lọ jẹ́ kó gbókù ọmọ ẹ̀ kó lọ jẹ́ àṣẹ mo tún farabalẹ̀ mo tún ṣàlàyé say is his mother ìyá kan fọmọ sílẹ̀ for 15 years ó fi rẹ̀ fún step mother wọ́n ní step mother gbá màmú ọmọ yẹn lórí tí Mohbad bá ti kú ti pẹ́ ńkọ́ tó bá ti kú ti pẹ́ ńgbà tó fi sílẹ̀ ńkọ́ ìyẹ́ is his mother tani ìyá olórí burúkú òṣì ọ̀rọ̀ tó máa fi mú ọmọ mọ́lẹ̀ tó bá ṣorí burúkú tán ìyẹ́ ẹni nìyẹ́ ẹni tani ìyá òfò tani ìyá òṣì tani ìyá tó ń ṣépè fún ìyá kọ́ ìyá ni she chose to be the mother the boy didn't choose him to be her mother to be his mother she chose to be a mother so if you choose to be a mother you be responsible what nonsense are you defending here ìyá ẹ̀ náà ni no matter what excuse me so you can dump your children for good 15 years then you walk back into their life as if everything is okay after they have been messed up right. Their mental state, everything about them has been messed up. You now walk into their life like you never left them. And because a man feels sentiment, and you expect that child to embrace you. If any child embrace you for that, it's because that child or timid or something is not right. Toba Jiomo Gidia suffer from you. The way they might instigate you, whatever is good for the geese is good for the vaganda. Bàbá tí ò bá ti wúlò tọ́mọ bá sá fún, that's right. Jìyà náà tí ò bá wúlò yẹ kọ́mọ sá fún ni. Tit for tat is the same thing. Lọ sí ilé ọkọ mi. Ìyọ́n ní ọkọ tó ti lọ bá ìgbà tó rí pé Mohbad bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mèkẹ́. Ó ní láti parọ́ kọ́kọ́ yẹn ti kú. àṣírí ìyá yẹn yìí máa tún jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ gbogbo ẹ yìí máa tún síta ńgbà tó dójú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bófò bọ́ta èmi ni ìyá Mohbad yóò kú ìyá tí wọ́n ń ròyìn bóyá ìyá kú àbí ò bá kú tí ìyá bá wà láyé wọn ò ní sọ fún yàn pé ó ti kú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀gò ò mọ̀ pé ó ní ìyá wọ́n sọ wọ́n rò pé ìyá ẹ̀ ti kú ni létà náà rí pé ìyá kàn déédéé sọ́fẹ̀sì nígbà tí kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mẹ́kọ̀ owó àwọn tó sún wọ́n rò pé ó ti kú ni ìyá òkú ayé náà rò pé ó ti kú tí ìyá bá present ní life ọmọ gbogbo ìran máa mo mọ mọ́mì ẹ̀ mo mọ mọ́mì ẹ̀ mo mọ mọ́mì ẹ̀ bí ṣe ni mo wà lórí social media táwọn ọmọ mi jẹ́ private people àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn tó wà lórí social media wọ́n sọ fún la máa rí mọ́mì ẹ̀ lórí social media ta ni ìyá òfò ta ni absentee mother ó wá rí pọ́mọ tí ń kọrin ó ti fẹ́ mọ ó ti ń ṣe yahoo owó tí ń dé díẹ̀díẹ̀ first motor tọmọ yẹn rà ṣe bí kó Tòkunbọ̀ kà ní Tòkunbọ̀ kà ní tàbí Tòkunbọ̀ kà tó dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tó lóun ti ń méèkì ẹ̀ tó ń ṣe child bó ṣe ń grow díẹ̀díẹ̀ mo rí ibi tó ti jókòó síbi làbí tó ń tẹ laptop ìgbà tó yẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣe yahoo ìyá wa rí pé change ti ń dé ó tún wá lọ parọ́ ọkọ tóun fẹ́ ọkọ yẹn tún ti kú ó ń sọ lọ́mọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń sẹ́ẹ̀tì ilé fóun àti ṣọ́ọ̀pù ni ó tún wá fìyẹn lẹ̀ ẹ̀ tí mo polóṣó mọ́ mi nìyẹn irú ìyá burúkú wo nìyẹn ta ni ìyá òfò ta ni ìyá òṣì tó rí ọmọ ṣóhun nìyá ṣé kọ́ dẹ̀jẹ̀ sórí ọmọ kọ́ gbọ́mọ sínú oyún ṣóhun náà ń pè ní ìyá yes ibi tó ti ń tẹ láptọ̀pù tó yìí ń ṣe yahoo mo rí gbogbo ẹ̀ mo rí mi ò jẹ́ kí n repost àwọn fídíòs tí ò ṣe tèmi sórí péjì ni wọn kì í introduce yáàyàn tí yàbá tó bá present in life ọmọ the same thing bàbá wọn introduce bàbá tó absent náà máa introduce wọn ní aṣọ ní bàbá ni àmọ́ ní bàbá